Buying a bagged vacuum by brand alone gets you lugging a canister upstairs. Then dog hair wins, rugs look tired, and every room needs another outlet. So we're sorting by layout, mess type, and your maintenance tolerance. Match floor head to flooring, bags to mess volume, and body style to stairs. Prices change, so check before buying. Let's move. Number 1. SEBO Airbelt D4. If your vacuum route crosses big rooms and mixed floors, I'd start here. It's a canister built around reach, bags, and attachments. That means fewer stop-start moments in a larger home. The pet hair score is 9.5, so shedding is the reason to stretch for it. You also get the parquet tool, plus the ET1 power head on the premium model. But the trade-off is physical, not subtle. The canister is heavy and bulky, and the hose can feel stiff. I wouldn't choose it for constant stair hauling or cramped furniture mazes. Skip it if you need easy big retailer availability, too. Daily. Number 2. Miele Guard S1 Electro. Want the canister feel without dragging the SEBO around? I'd pick this for carpeted homes where carrying matters. It includes an electro brush power head and a parquet twister floor head. So it covers rugs, carpet, and gentler hard floor passes. Pet hair is the headline, with a 9.5 score that matches the SEBO. But the trade-off is daily range and debris style. The bags are smaller, and the cord is shorter. Larger crumbs on bare floors can get pushed around, which gets annoying fast. I wouldn't buy it for a mostly hard floor open plan. Skip it if you want fewer outlet changes and fewer bag swaps. Number 3. Miele Classic C1. For a small place with mostly hard floors, I'd rather own this than overbuy, and that restraint matters. It's compact, easy to steer, and less annoying to store. The 1200W motor gives it real suction, but the SBD 365-3 floor head is straight suction. That means low-pile carpet is acceptable, while deep carpet is not the point. The trade-off is the missing powered brush. Long hair, pet hair, and shag rugs ask too much of it. Smaller bags and a shorter cord also add chores in bigger homes. I'd skip it for heavy shedding or large debris. Buy it only if your layout stays simple. Number 4. Kenmore Intuition Bagged. Prefer pushing an upright instead of towing a canister? I'd look here if budget matters and your home has mixed floors. The lift-up design lets the canister section detach for shelves, stairs, and awkward corners. Its high-pile carpet score is 8.5, so carpet pickup is the pleasant surprise. You can also turn the brush roll off for bare floors. But the trade-off is maneuverability and feel. It doesn't move like the nicer canisters, and it isn't the quiet pick. The fixed-height floor head can also fight thick shag-style carpet. I wouldn't choose it for tight furniture or noise-sensitive cleaning. Skip it if adjustability matters more than value. Number 5. Eureka Mighty Mite. Here, the appeal is simple. Carry it, plug it in, and clean the obvious stuff. I'd buy it for bare floors, stairs, and quick debris jobs. It weighs under 10 pounds, so hauling it around doesn't feel like the task. The included crevice/upholstery nozzle and hard bristle brush help with edges and stuck-on crumbs. But the trade-off is capability. There's no powered floor head, so carpet agitation just isn't its lane. It also skips conveniences like a telescopic wand and self-winding cord. I wouldn't pick it for pet hair or embedded carpet debris. Skip it if build quality and fine particle containment are priorities. Keep expectations modest. If you want the least fuss in a bigger mixed floor home, I'd pick the SEBO. If carrying matters more, go Guard S1 Electro. For apartments, Classic C1 makes sense. For upright shoppers, Kenmore is the value play. For bare floor chores and stairs, Eureka is the cheap helper. Before you buy, confirm the exact floor head, bag type, and replacement filters. Then picture your route: stairs, outlets, closets, rug height, and pet zones. The best bag vacuum is the one you won't avoid using. My pick for a full-size home is the SEBO. I'd choose Miele Guard S1 Electro when carrying matters more. Classic C1 fits simpler apartments. Kenmore is upright value, and Eureka handles cheap chores. Links are in the description.